Imagine walking through a field and spotting a tangled mess of bright orange threads smothering a green plant. That's not some rare fungus or alien invader. It's a parasitic plant called Dodder or Cuscuta. Unlike normal plants, Dodder doesn't rely on photosynthesis. It wraps around a host, pierces the stem with Haustoria, and siphons off nutrients, water, and even chemical signals. Dodder seeds germinate in soil but must find a host within days or they die. Amazingly, research shows Dodder can detect chemical cues from nearby plants, helping it choose the juiciest target. Once attached, Dodder forms a network of tendrils spreading over multiple hosts, connecting them in a tangled parasitic web. These networks drain energy from the hosts, often weakening or even killing them over time. What's more surprising is how Dodder can manipulate its hosts. Studies show it taps into the host's hormonal signals, adjusting its own growth based on the host's condition. In some cases, Dodder may even act as a bridge, transferring viruses from one host plant to another. It becomes not just a thief, but a carrier of disease, reshaping the local ecosystem. But Dodder isn't the only plant playing the parasite game. Mistletoe, famous for its holiday image, is another parasite that taps into trees and shrubs using its own Haustoria. Some parasites go even further. Certain broom rape species not only steal nutrients, but hijack the host's flowering signals, forcing it to bloom early. This ensures the parasite's reproduction while draining even more energy from the already stressed host. It's a strategy that turns the host into a kind of biological puppet. Across the world, parasitic plants are not rare. Over 4,500 known species rely entirely or partially on other plants to survive, spread across nearly every ecosystem. In agriculture, parasitic weeds like striga, orobanche, and witchweed cause billions of dollars in crop losses every year. They attack staples like maize, rice, and sorghum, threatening food security in vulnerable regions. Scientists are now studying these parasites not just as pests, but as models for plant communication. By tapping into their hosts, parasitic plants access the internal conversations, hormonal and chemical messages. Recent research even suggests that some parasitic plants can eavesdrop on a host's defense signals, allowing them to preemptively adapt. It's a level of sophistication we once thought only animals could display. Understanding these connections could help us design crops that resist stress, pests, or even use communication tricks themselves. Parasites, once seen only as a threat, might become unexpected allies in improving agriculture. Today, Dodder's tangled orange webs can be found on almost every continent, wrapping around everything from wildflowers to crops. Their strange lifestyle is a reminder that the plant world isn't as peaceful or passive as it seems. In nature, competition is everywhere, and sometimes survival goes not to the strongest or fastest, but to the quietest thief.